Hello everyone. I know that you all are busy in preparing for your board examination and wishing to score good in all the subjects, and mathematics is one of them. So I am here to help you in making your wish to touch the earth of reality. For that, my dear students, I have designed a sample paper book for you. This book is all about Super 10 sample question papers as per new pattern. Just underline it, as per new pattern. This is for mathematics CBSE class 12th. So you would be thinking that what is special about this sample question papers, because many of the question papers, sample question papers are available in the market. So let me discuss the highlights of this sample question papers. So main highlights are: number 1, it is designed according to the new pattern. As you would be knowing that CBSE has changed the pattern this year. Case study and more 1 mark questions are added. So this sample paper is prepared according to the new pattern. Second point, that is also very important, variety of all possible questions are covered. Once you will solve all the question, you will get the sigh of relief that you know each and every type of question. Third point is, special tips and tricks are also shared in the beginning of the sample paper book. So these are going to help you a lot. Fourth point is, repetition of the sums is avoided so that you can get the maximum score for solving the questions. Fifth point, I guarantee you won't miss any question in boards if you solve all 10 sample question papers honestly. The next point is that along with this, you may discuss your queries with me on my YouTube channel. You are most welcome for that. And the last point, and very important point, that it is prepared after comprehensive study of last 10 years board exams. So this is very important point, my dear students, that I have covered all type of questions for you. Once you are going to solve all these 10 sample question papers, I don't think that you are going to miss any question in the board examination. And definitely, if you will solve, you will get the success, you will achieve your target with all the tips and the tricks are being shared along with this book. And the most important and very highlighting point is that I am giving you 15% discount on this sample question papers, because if you are going to purchase it just now, definitely you are going to get 15% discount. This is available only for few of the candidates, those who are going to approach me first. For that, I am going to share all the details in the description box. You can read and you can apply. It is available on Notion Press, it is available on Amazon, it is available on Flipkart. So you can get it via any, and if you are unable to get, you can contact me directly. I'll get it and give it to you. So thank you very much and all the very best to all of you for your board examination. Just hit your target, and don't forget to press the bell icon, okay, so that you can get all the notification, as well as just subscribe my channel and like and share with all your friends, those who are in need. Definitely that all should get the benefit of it. Thank you so much.